Assumptions that need to be fulfilled before performing exploratory factor analysis, abbreviated as EFA, on a data extracted from questionnaire or a survey based on Likert scale. EFA is a multivariate statistical analysis method that is used to analyze data or questions from a survey and try to discover whether there is an underlying factors for items and whether the items correlate with each other and can load to factors. So there are certain assumptions that have to be fulfilled before considering performing the EFA. So what are the assumptions that have to be fulfilled before performing this statistical method? First assumption is that there should be adequate number of participants. Sample size have to be adequate. And the participant has to be greater than 150 individuals, more than 150 cases or individual or participant. At least there should be 20 participants per items or per variable or per question. One of the statistical methods that can be performed to find out whether there is adequacy in the sample size is to use the statistical method for Kaiser-Meyer-Olkin method. It will be given a value. Any value closer to 1 indicates better sampling adequacy. The second assumptions that have to be fulfilled is the eligibility of correlation matrix for factorization. The third assumption is linearity. There should be a relationship among variables and those relationships are linear. So observed variables are related to the underlying factor in a linear manner. The fourth assumption, there is no perfect multicollinearity among variables. So variables, they should not have a high value of correlation or relationship. The fifth assumption is the normality. Though EFA is robust to violation of normality, variables should be approximately normally distributed, and if variables are not normal, then transformation for the data can be performed. The sixth assumption is the interval or ratio level of data. The data should be interval or ratio. For ordinal data, there should be more than 5 categories, and for categorical variables, then the best option is to go for categorical factor analysis. The seventh assumption is the homoscedasticity, which is equal variances. The variances of the observed variable roughly equal across all levels of underlying factors. The eighth assumption is that there is no outliers. Outliers are extreme high or low values within the data. The ninth assumption is that EFA assumes that the observed variables are influenced by two things. The first one is the common factor. The second one is the unique factors. Common factors are shared variance among variables, and unique factors are specific variance unique to each variable. And number 10 is the independence of factors. The EFA assumes that factors extracted are uncorrelated. If the factors are expected to be correlated, then confirmatory factor analysis can be used. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to the channel, leave any comment in the indicated box and activate the notification bell to receive the recent and latest release into the channel of several different video clip, and click on the like icon and share the video link with others so the channel can expand and improve to include a large scope of different statistical method and how to analyze data using several different statistical packages such as SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovi, Statistics, GraphPad, Prism, GPower, Python, and RevMan. If you are a student or a researcher and you have a data, whether it is quantitative or qualitative, and you want to perform statistical analysis on that data using any of the softwares listed here, whether it's SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovi, Statistics, GraphPad, Prism, RevMan, GMP, Python, then do contact me to arrange for either a one-to-one private tutor session or a training course on any of these statistical packages. My contact details are given here, so don't hesitate to write to me or email me if you need a private one-to-one tutoring or a training course.